All right, welcome. This is a college intermediate level class, and welcome students. What we're going to be doing today, our objective is to understand the order of adjectives in our phrases when we describe things using more than one types of adjective. So I've provided an example on the board. An old yellow house. Do we say a yellow old house? No, we don't say a yellow old house. We say an old yellow house because it just sounds more fluid somehow. So we are going to learn how we know what order to say our adjectives in. So I've created a little chart that will be helpful until you get used to it. Katie, so I've created a chart so that you can see that all these adjectives that we use are can be categorized into different categories. And you organize them in a phrase based on what category they're in. So let's get started reading the left column. Could you please read that, Katie?
Quantity, characteristic.
Yes.
Is that how you say it?
Characteristic.
Characteristic, value or opinion, size, temperature, age, shape, color, origin, material.
Okay. Now, how about for each category, we'll provide a couple of examples, preferably ones that are not on this list here. So let's each of you say an example of, for example, quantity. Let's start there.
Many.
Many, couple, a couple. What else? A few maybe, or specific numbers even, like 5, 1,000. There you go. How about characteristic, value, or opinion? Cheap. Cheap. Yep. Or expensive.
Terrible.
Terrible. Terrible. Or excellent. Or yeah, all those opinionated type of adjectives. So size.
Huge.
Huge.
Tiny.
Tiny. Yeah. Temperature.
Hot.
Hot. Freezing. Freezing. Good. Any other ones? Cold, warm, specific degrees, like 94 degrees maybe. Age.
Ancient.
Ancient.
Middle-aged.
Middle-aged, yeah. Shape.
Rectangular.
Rectangular, okay.
Triangle. Triangular.
Triangular, yeah. Triangular. How about colors?
Purple.
Purple, blue, green, yellow, pink, orange, blue, black, red, white, all those colors. So, okay. Origin.
Guatemalan.
Yes. Korean. And how about materials?
Plastic.
Plastic. Glass. Yeah. Okay. So what we're going to be doing now is, on this presentation, I have pictures of different things that you are both going to describe for me using multiple adjectives. But we're going to put them in the correct order. So we'll start with a barn. So you already have the quantity A, which is singular, and you have barn, which is the noun. Just fill in all the middle adjectives to describe the barn. Yes?
A big red barn.
A big red barn. Perfect.
An old red barn.
An old red barn. Yes. Very good. Pie.
A hot, yummy pie.
Yummy is kind of an opinion or a quality, and hot would be a temperature. So what order would those be in?
A yummy hot pie.
A yummy hot pie. Yes.
A crunchy brown pie.
Crunchy brown pie. Yep, that works. Okay. How about this yellow? This little guy here. Sorry.
A cute little cowboy.
A cute little cowboy. Yes.
A tiny western cowboy.
All right. Yep. Tiny western cowboy. Okay. A boat.
A big white and red boat.
White and red. Katie is getting fancy. So, what do you have to say about that?
A gigantic, long boat.
Very good.
Fine.
Very good. Very good, girl.
A
A sunflower.
An extremely tall yellow sunflower.
An extremely tall yellow sunflower. Perfect order. Yes. How about you?
A tall, wide sunflower.
Yep, it's wide, it's tall. I think tall would go, well, they're both kind of a size, so that works. Tall, wide. Let's try to use multiple types, because we use two of the same types, so it's fine, but let's just try to use
leafy.
a tall, leafy. Yeah, that works. Yeah, that works. How about a horse?
A fast brown horse.
Fast brown horse?
A fat.
Fat brown horse. Okay, if you want a fat brown horse,
muscle.
it's muscles, but okay. Okay, 3 eggs.
3 shiny blue eggs.
Shiny blue eggs, yes.
3 small light blue eggs.
3 small light blue eggs. Listen to that, Katie.
I hear it.
A dog?
A yellow thirsty dog.
I think thirsty is a characteristic.
A thirsty yellow dog?
Thirsty yellow dog,
Yeah?
yes. Good. A what?
Beautiful. Beautiful, soft.
A beautiful, soft, those are two of
white
the same
dog.
ones. Okay. Beautiful, soft, white dog, that works. Good.
A big green and yellow cornfield.
Big, green, and yellow cornfield, yes.
An organized
Ooh,
green
organized.
cornfield.
An organized green cornfield. Good. How about this apple here?
A shiny apple red.
Remember that we use in English the nouns go after the adjectives. So
A shiny red apple.
shiny red apple. Good.
One leafed red apple.
One leafed red apple. Yep. That one works. So, all right, now I've prepared a little game for you guys. You're now going to be competing against each other. So, what you're going to do is each group of cards has a phrase, a short phrase. There's going to be a quantity, which will always go in the beginning, and a noun that will always go at the end, right? So we have 3 adjectives in the middle, and you don't know what order they go in, but you can use this very helpful cheat here, and you can put them in the correct order. So for example, you have a few old black iron pots. Iron is a material here, not the iron that you use to iron with your clothes, but it goes at the end before the noun because it's a material. So we're going to be competing, and whoever gets the correct order will get a point. So let's go ahead and get started with the first one. Are we ready? All right. 4
Bags.
Watch your noun, Katie. Watch your nouns. All right. 4 small brown paper bags. So we have characteristic, color, and then material. That's correct. So Kaylin gets this point. All right. 3 elegant blue and white Chinese vases. You both have exactly the same correct answer, so both get a point. Good job, people. And let me know if you have any questions about what the words mean, by the way. Okay. Okay. All of these, or those old green glass bottles, green old. Watch your order with the color and the age. So Katie gets this point. Yes, all of those old green glass bottles. That's Katie.
Yay.
Okay. Okay, are we ready? A couple of beautiful blue silk dresses. A couple of beautiful blue silk dresses, both correct? Next one. Okay, we ready? Some small red wood chairs and some red small wood chairs. So where does the color versus the size go? That's correct. So Katie got this one. All right, we have a couple more. Watch our nouns, remember. Okay, a pair of shiny Italian leather shoes. And Kaylin gets this one only because your adjectives were correct, but your noun was not in the correct place. But your adjectives were correct. But I'm going to give this to Kaylin. Okay. Four black tall stone columns. Four tall black stone columns. That's Katie who got this one correct. All right. Good. All right. Is that all of the groups that we've done? All right. So Katie is the winner. Good job, Katie. Let's give her a round of applause.
Thank you.
All right. Now remember to do your homework. Chapter 4, page 83. Exercises A and B. We'll save C for another time. So goodbye, class, and have a nice weekend.
You too.